Air France 431 Heavy, pushback and startup approved, the runway 25, report taxi. If possible, expedite. Air France 431, please call me 118.6.
And Air France 431 on 118.6.
Air France 431 Heavy, cross runway 25 via Charlie, runway and Bravo. Then continue via Kilo to lift.
Okay, so taxiing on Alpha crossing Charlie via the runway, exiting Bravo, then Kilo for holding point 25, Air France 431.
Air France 431 Heavy, hold short of runway 25 at limit.
Okay, holding short runway 25 on Lima, Air France 431. And just for information, we need to keep the runway heading a bit more so we can climb a bit more before turning on Nanjo and have 9,000 feet or above at Nanjo.
Air France 431, roger, no problem. Air France 431, wind 120 degrees, 08 knots, runway 25 on request for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25, Air France 431.
Air France 431, contact Coco Control 119.6, bonne soirée, à bientôt.
Merci, 119.6, bonne soirée monsieur, au revoir.